For my fish of choice, it has to be salmon. It's just my favourite. Sea bass also works fantastic with this dish. Also, remove the skin, you don't need it. For the potatoes, I'm using bite-sized. They just work. Top and tail and peel. You definitely need a mandolin for this. You could slice them by hand, but make your life easier by using a mandolin. I'm cooking a 10-ounce fillet, so about 2 potatoes should cover the fish. You want the slices pretty thin. Next, brush some melted unsalted butter over the salmon. This is to make the potatoes stick. Add a good pinch of salt, now overlap the potatoes so they look like fish scales. Again, add some melted butter on top, followed by a pinch of salt. Now get the pan on a medium heat. I'm using a good quality non-stick. Use the fish slice to lift the fish. Now carefully, and I mean carefully, put the fish in your hand. Press the fish, potato side, onto the pan. Now place back on the hob. Season the other side of the fish, add olive oil on a medium heat, cook the potatoes until golden brown. Should take about 5 minutes. This is the tricky part of the whole dish. Carefully, with your fish slice, turn the fish over. Hopefully, the potatoes haven't stuck to the pan and are a beautiful golden brown. Now continue to cook the fish to how you like it. Now let's plate up and serve.